For number 2, you're going to be making a conjecture about the value of this geometric relationship. We know that angle ABC here is a right triangle, so you can say that therefore the measurement of ABC is going to be 90 degrees. Then next you see that point S is between R and T. So here this is R, this is T, and we can say S is somewhere between here. Therefore, you can say RS plus ST has to be equal to RT if and only if RS and T are also collinear. Okay. If you add this part, that means you can then also say RS is also equal or congruent to ST if S is the midpoint. So it depends on what you have. Okay, the red part is the angle addition postulate that you can add two segments together, gets you a bigger segment, and the blue part is the midpoint. Next one, PQRS are all non-collinear, and PQ is congruent to QR, which is congruent to RS, which is congruent to SP. Okay, here's the shape. You can label it here as the corners of the vertex. These can be P, this can be Q, R, and S. Then you should notice that all the sides are congruent. So you then could come to the conclusion that this shape is a square. That would be its conjecture.